What's up guys? Do you know this BMS says it can balance the cells? So I made one real quicker. Now let's see if can fix it. You know this is a 12-volt battery pack I built 1 or 2 days ago. Right now everything is balanced. So look at the voltage. But I'm going to change that. I'm using a load to destroy one group of cells in order to make one rail lower than the others. This is imbalance. In theory, the BMS should bring this back up and make 3 rail balance again. Let's try it and see. After try and after 30 minutes, and I need to check the voltage of each row of cells. Still lower. After 1 hour, not much change. After 2 hours, it's closer, but still not equal. What's going on? So it is balancing. Just very slowly. You have to wait for a long time. Now let's see what happens under load. So I'm going to use load to test the BMS. The same group drops first again. So the BMS didn't fix the problem. Actually, it just slightly reduced it. Most BMS system balance with very small current like this. So if one group is weak, it can't catch up fast enough. So yes, this BMS does balance, but it won't fix a bad cell. Did you expect it to fully balance this? Or not really. You know, I test things like this all the time. So if you want to see what actually works, hit subscribe. Bye bye, have a nice day.